This short dives into hiccups, that tiny rhythmic rebellion that has puzzled poets and scientists for ages. They start with a diaphragm spasm caused by irritated nerves during meals, cold drinks, or rapid temperature shifts. Across cultures, remedies range from gulping water to squinting or shocking oneself, while researchers map the nerve loops involved. Today we know hiccups usually vanish as breathing patterns reset, though rare cases spark more serious medical investigations. Next time a hiccup knocks, smile at the science, breathe deeply, and let curiosity carry you forward.